This is the Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Boy Scouts. This is where you used to camp if you were a Boy Scout. Younger. This looks like camping, except it's made of metal and used to be wood, but or plywood, but looks like plywood still. People, Boy Scouts or Cub Scouts used to sleep here, and it's supposed to have lights, but you do not set up a tent. So there's several teepee like huts here. Gonna take a walk and see the sights of the Boy Scouts campground. So there's an amphitheater here dedicated to Antonio Limbaga Memorial. So there's the amphitheater. It's a huge amphitheater where you can get a bonfire in the middle, and this is where it's surrounded by those teepee hut like tent. And these were supposedly, I don't know if they're still doing it, maybe they are, but this is the Boy Scout area. Supposed to be a camping area but I don't think I was able to camp here when I was a kid, because I didn't make it into Boy Scout. I was just a Cub Scout. So that's the tour for today here in the Boy Scouts area. I think they built bathrooms there for men and women, so that's a nice addition. Yeah, I already did.